The next type of adaptation is camouflage based adaptations. Now what is camouflage? Let us see here. See, look in the figure here. Can you see the grasshopper there? Right? So observe the grasshopper carefully, how it has blended with its surrounding. Right? It is nearly invisible. At least from far you will not be able to recognize that a grasshopper is sitting there. So there are some animals such as grasshopper, as we have seen in the figure, which blend themselves with the surrounding so that they can protect themselves. Okay, so animals, they blend with their environment when they have the same body color or pattern as their surroundings. Okay, if they have the same body color or pattern as their surroundings, they blend with the environment, and this blending is called as camouflaging. Now what happens? Why do they need to camouflage? This is because camouflaging keeps them safe against predators. Now what are predators? We all know predators are attackers. Okay, so they attack the other animals and they eat them. So to defend themselves, to keep themselves safe against predators, some animals, they have to blend with the environment. So animals blend with environment. They have the same, when they have the same body color or pattern as their surrounding, this is called camouflaging. And why they need to camouflage? To keep themselves safe against predators. So one example we have seen of grasshopper. One more example is of polar bears. Okay, so polar bears, if you have seen polar bears, they are white in color. Why they are white in color? Because they live in snowy areas. Snow, we all know, it's white. Okay, so to protect themselves against predators, and since they live in snowy areas, they have adapted to the color white. So polar bears are white in color since they live in snowy areas. Similarly, camels are brownish, right? They live in desert. So to match with the desert, camels are brownish. Okay, some animals match their colors with rocks, soil or grass depending on the environment they live in. So this changing of color or adapting a specific color or body pattern is called as camouflaging, and camouflaging is done to protect themselves against the predators.